Central China's Zhengzhou city is carrying out multiple rounds of mass nucleic acid testing to curb the COVID-19 resurgence. The capital of Henan province has put its main urban districts under restrictive control, in addition to a number of closed-off areas.
尽管是每天一次，但是我们心里边也觉得也挺踏实了。这是对我们呢，也是一个安全保护。
天的话，生活来讲没有受多大影响，在自己可以力所能及的情况下，应该配合社区，配合全国做好这场防疫的工作。
Nearly 8,000 medical workers from 14 cities across Henan have rushed to Zhengzhou to help with the testing.
医务工作者是连轴转，即便是这样，我们也要保证这个采集的，在保证采集的速度的同时，我们也要保证我们采集的规范性。
According to the local epidemic control measures, one person from each family is allowed to go out and buy daily necessities every day with a negative nucleic acid test result taken within 24 hours.
米面油我们都准备了一些，这个还是可以的。疫情在家休息，就变着花样给孩子们做点饭啦，做点花样好吃的呀，孩子们也可高兴。
原来我们是一天只送一次货，但对于我们现在的单机司来说，就是早上送一次货，在下午我们再送一次货，就是为了保证我们就是所有人到店能够满足他们的需求。
Zhengzhou has launched an emergency plan to guarantee the supply of daily necessities, and has issued over 10,000 transport vehicle permits to ensure smooth logistics.